Hey guys, we received this King's Lucky mini karaoke machine for kids for test and try. It's a cute and loud Bluetooth speaker with a wireless microphone with the LED lights and as a fun thing for the kids. So let me just open this box. So this is the nice thing here. You can see there's a speaker. So it's a mini Bluetooth speaker here with the LED light support and rechargeable thing with the buttons on the top. So looks really nice and have a small leather handle as well. In the back you can see a USB support, aux cable, micro SD and other things. So this one is a small microphone for the kids and then charging cable and manual. So um, this is particularly like a microphone will attach on with the speaker and then you can recharge these both things and then kids can do their music practice or have a sound and use this to play and have fun. So let me just open and see. So you can see a great LED light design here. And you can just open up this button and then the microphone will get attached with this speaker and then you can just start to test and try. So here you can see a very nice the color combination and the color function with this mini size ultra portable and is music on the go. So the kids, the voice is a echo voice and then nice
Happy
thing with the lights, so
birthday,
kids can
cha
have
cha
fun.
cha.
So
Happy
hope my kids like it a
birthday
lot.
to
Then hope your kids like
you.
this too, and it's
Meow
very good
meow.
for their music practice and fun.
Happy birthday, dear nobody. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha
So
cha.
nice overall croquet set.